Well, COVID-19 cases reached a new high today, with national totals surging to 21 and confirmation of the first death. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis, confirmed today that Bimini resident Kim Johnson Roll died from a COVID-19 infection. That announcement, as the Prime Minister addressed the country today, also coupled with that confirmation of 6 new cases. The Prime Minister addressed a live TV audience with that and other developments on COVID-19 in the Bahamas. Here's Altaviz Munnings with the latest.
Good evening, Keishla, and good evening, Bahamas. We are now in a surge of COVID-19 positive cases. That coming from Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis during his national press conference this afternoon here at the office of the Prime Minister in Cable Beach, where he revealed that there are now 21 recorded cases of COVID-19 here in the Bahamas. 18 of those cases recorded in New Providence, 3 of those in Grand Bahama. The Prime Minister noting that health officials are now vigorously conducting contact testing.
The hotspot that we have identified is confined to the eastern end of New Providence. It's in the east. I've already communicated this information to the Commissioner of Police, and he has stepped up and ensured that everyone, inclusive those in the east, adhere to the curfew and adhere to policies that the government has instituted. I want to address this afternoon the death of an individual who was transported from Bimini to New Providence. The COVID test on this particular individual has been positive. The family has been informed, and investigation and contact tracing has already commenced.
The Prime Minister emphasized that the emergency orders apply to every single Bahamian across the Bahamas, including all family islanders.
Inagua, Meguana, Rum Key, Ragged Island, Acklands, and Crooked Island. Do not travel outside your jurisdictions. Do not allow family or friends from New Providence or any other island outside to enter your shores or be sheltered in your homes. Do not allow anyone boating to enter your shores. More than 50 healthcare workers have had to be taken out of the system because of exposure to the virus. If our healthcare workers continue to be compromised or removed out of the system, then that places great challenges to our health system. All private medical and dental practices shall eliminate all routine and non-emergency physical encounters with patients, and shall, as best as possible, provide all routine and non-emergency services using virtual or remote means, excluding private renal dialysis facilities. And where physical interaction is a necessity, due to a medical emergency, there must be strict adherence to physical distancing and hygienic requirements.
Prime Minister Minnis also announced that the modular unit at the Princess Margaret Hospital will be able to accommodate 4 additional patients within a purpose-to-build control environment. He said the facility has positive to negative airflow with 20 air exchanges per hour of fresh air. He also noted that the South Beach Clinic is currently being modified in the same way to accommodate 10 patients in order to accommodate a surge in COVID-19 cases. Once again, the Prime Minister imploring Bahamians everywhere to follow all emergency order regulations. Reporting from the office of the Prime Minister in Cable Beach, I'm Altaviz Munnings, ZNS Network News.